What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Delco Airsoft. Today, I hiked into the woods by myself with this big ass red thing. Like, it's really heavy, it's extremely heavy. I had to go up a lot of hills. And my backpack, and I'm going to meet up with Nate, JP, Alex, and John McGrory. Then we're going to meet Paul and Shain, and I think Shain brought a couple people as well. So today's going to be a very good game. I'm going to go find them. Oh my god, this is a freaking hike. I really wish you could feel how heavy this bag is. It's got to be at least like 35, 40 pounds, maybe more. I mean, it doesn't sound heavy, but when you're walking up and down hills with a backpack that's also like 15 pounds, it's heavy as shit. I'm going to be like tired before we even start the game. Alright, I found everybody, and we're preparing for the game. You guys ready for some action today?
Yeah, I got my new gun.
Yeah, there's Laughlin's new FAMAS. Hold it up, let's see it. That thing's sweet.
Fucking cyber gun from Moss.
Nate looks like some kind of like video game boss or something with that thing on his face.
There's one thing that we gotta do today. Let's shoot that kid.
How do you feel about that, JP?
He's gonna die a violent death, and I'm gonna be there to laugh.
Bring it, bitch.
Trouble in Terrorstown.
Looks like the Jihad army is having some trouble.
Trouble in Terrorstown.
Here's Paul. There's Paul tying his shoe. You ready, Shain?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What's your name again, man?
Dara.
Dara? There's Dara. He's ready to play. He's his first time out playing with us. I'm gonna be rocking my UMP 45 for a little bit unless it fucks up. It's pretty sweet. When did I get this? Like a month ago. Got my UMP. I'm gonna go find some kids and kick their ass. We're just patrolling through the woods right now.
No, this is what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
If they were gonna set an ambush, it would have been right there. So then they're probably at the top of the hill. They gotta be. If they're down here, I don't think they made it to Jurassic Park yet.
No way.
But if the dirt bikers come through, ditch off the trail and hide.
Alright.
I don't want them to see us, just because, you know.
That's a good idea.
If they see, because Laughlin might stop and be like, yeah, have you seen anybody? They might be like, yeah, they're over there.
Yeah.
Because I do that. So, we'll push up and watch the rear. You
Alright.
guys take front.
Alright.
Alright?
Jesus Christ. Looks like they freaking napalmed the place. My God.
Still very well intact.
Yeah.
It's actually better because
It's cleared out now.
yeah.
I'm glad that we got the film here before they did this.
Yeah, you can tell the boulders that came through here.
Oh yeah. Look, that's like the infamous. Let's see, the trail is there.
Your box is just.
I think that.
Go left and out the side.
I think that. Yeah, it's out there. Oh, I think the log's gone.
Huh?
This is where the log was in our very first video. You guys came down that trail. It was like back here. Remember that, Shain? We were just like Paul came walking in. Bop, 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 bop. pretty cool map. I'm glad we got the film here before they bulldozed it. It's a shame. Right now we're heading towards Mount Suribachi. We just went through Jurassic Park and we're gonna go see if they posted up on the mountain. There it is. Suribachi. All clear. Yo, Shane, heads up. I'm gonna roll this right into your position. Look at that. Perfect. Whew.
Yo.
What's your location?
We're somewhere near Jurassic Park.
Alright. You wanna tell them where we are?
We're over by Jurassic Park.
Well, we are by Jurassic. I think
We're by Jurassic Park.
Fuck.
So if you want to come up here and get us, be our guests. Alright, I think we're ready.
not.
Oh, boys! We're waiting. Contact! Nate's on the move, he's running!
Let's go, let's go.
We separated him. He went down there. Watch this way. He went that way, he went that way. I just saw him right around. Let me grab the smoke. I'm moving the smoke up! Watch that way. Yeah. Watch him, watch him. Come around this corner and watch. I'm going this way. Surrender!
Fine.
Hey, put that down!
I'm down, goddammit. Where'd they run off to?
Take his gun, take that gun. We got a prisoner! Come here, get up here. Let's move. You go out in the middle of that fucking wasteland. Let's go. Move, bitch! I got it. What? Lawful went that way. He went towards you.
Release the prisoner.
Release him?
Yeah, they all got two guys on. Where'd they run off to?
That way.
How'd you catch her so fast, man?
He was literally just under the
follow
tree.
me.
You don't turn. If you turn around, you're gonna get destroyed.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the smoke.
You guys?
Yeah, if you turn around and try and shoot at us while you're like 10 feet away, don't try anything funny. Don't try anything clever, buddy.
That's not clever, that's stupid. If they were closer, were you guys moving up or were you just sitting there?
Alright, watch him, Paul. We're trying to find you. Yeah, this looks fucking awesome. Where'd you guys come in at? Where's contact?
Right there, dead ahead.
Behind the log? Oh, I see him! It's JP! Let's go get him! I'm gonna go get him!
Get his hands up!
Get up! Come this way! Grab your weapon and come this way!
Yeah, watch the back. Box mag's not working, so I couldn't shoot anyway.
Keep it above your head. Come this way slowly. Come down here. Move down here. Let's go.
Fucking box mag.
Stop going so slow. Move faster. Don't try anything clever, buddy.
Dude, I couldn't even try.
Yeah, head over to them. Come here, JP! Don't you fucking run away!
Hey, I ain't running from you, I'm running from him! Yeah, he really doesn't, you're not helping.
Fuck!
You start the bitches!
Stay here! Don't fucking run!
Can I go in your team like you fucking... You're aiming high, dude. Roll low to the left, roll low to the left. Man, sign up for this shit.
You piece of shit. I'm using you as a firing position.
Yeah, I know!
What?
Two.
Still see two, yeah?
Yeah, two of them.
Yeah, it's a Tommy.
Go light up, bitch.
You stay here.
Yeah,
I'm using you as cover.
Yeah, I'm a log to you now.
You try to run, you get fucked.
Dude, they're gonna shoot me anyway. Either way, I'm fucked.
They're getting out of here, they're getting out of here. Light that quick.
Yeah. Oh, hit him with a rocket. Stay there, JP.
Fucking wing, cover the wing, cover the wing. As soon as you go off automatically, too. Fucking win, dude. Cup your hands.
Keep watch your right, kid.
I think it's a dud.
Watch the left, watch the left.
Give me this. Watch out. Watch out.
Fire!
Heads up.
All right. That's right. Run, you commies!
What do you want?
All right, JP. I'm gonna let you go.
Mm-hmm.
Now,
My question is, where are they?
they're up there. So just come right here. Let's go.
This is pleasant.
JP is coming back. All right, JP. You got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 1. That's right, bitch. Good shit, man. They're coming! Shain! What the fuck on it?
Get the fuck down!
You motherfucker! Fuck you!
Get the fuck down! Oh, get down!
Fuck you! Yo! They're coming! Fuck! They're right there, they're right there. They're about to come out. What? We're on the other side of that mound. They almost got me!
Go to the team down there. Give me 5 seconds.
Seriously,
Go complete annihilation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dude.
Oh.
Dude, when they start charging you from up there,
Yeah.
you're like, I can run down this hill. Dude, JP was the last man. And every time he moved, I would move so it would seem like his footprints, like his footsteps. He turned around the last second, I was like, and I just tackled the shit out of him.
They almost got me, man, and it's gunshot.
Huh?
It's done.
Told you were gonna be combat ineffective.
Well, I got some good rounds out of it. They were in between like me and Shane, that's how close they were. Drop your weapon. Fuck you! I just ran. Just took it all up the arm. Shane, they were right in front of you, man.
Now where's his friend?
He went that way.
Just listen to that.
Woo!
They're coming, dude. They're right up.
there, they're coming.
Where are they? Weapons raised! They're gonna settle their differences. Man style. Ready, set, go! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Oh, my foot! Fucker! God damn it! Awesome! Awesome! That was great. Very good game today, boys.
Yeah. If you say so.
You say so.
You almost got me.
Look at you next time.
Once I get another mag for my FAMAS, you're going down, faggot.
How you feeling, JP?
Not accurate.
Yeah. Hey JP, can you pass me that? Tired.
How'd you like getting captured?
Blowed.
How was your experience getting captured, Nate?
You guys let me go.
Yeah, but how about the part when we destroyed you, when you're dug in that little hole?
I fucking came at you like it was fucking Iwo Jima or some shit. You fucking rolled out and you shot me. That was fun. It hurt, but it was fun.
Oh, I know. How'd you like being used as a human shield, JP?
JP, how many times did I hit you when you were being used as a human shield?
There's no love here.
Did you have fun, like, shooting everybody in the face?
Yeah.
How you feeling, Paul?
Tired, dude. I'm gonna walk too
Looks like-
Fuck off, man.
It's a very victorious day, Shane.
Absolutely, always is.
Well, I think what Shane said sums it up pretty perfectly. No matter if we win or lose, or we almost get captured, as in my case, and narrowly escape while getting pelted up the arm and back, it always is a victory. I would like to thank all of you for helping me pass 2,000 views on the channel. Give yourself a round of applause. Woo! And what better way to celebrate than cracking open a brisk? It's a sweet taste of victory. Well, if you liked the video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment. I'll answer any of your comments. I'm going to come out with some gun reviews for those of you who have been waiting for them. So make sure you stay tuned. Once again, my name's Tom, and thank you all for watching Delco Airsoft.